magpakilala sana. Para bang
ayaw tong paulit-ulit kong babalik-balikan.
ikaw ay naiilang ka ba pag tayo lang dalawa?
All that time I sat alone in my tower, you were just honing your powers. Now I
Hindi kayang tumbasan ng kahit anong salapi kung ano ang
How can you look at me and pretend I'm so